In the world of spring manufacturing, one final step ensures each spring stands strong and reliable: grind. This finishing process might not be as visible as coiling or heat treating, but it's vital to the performance, stability, and longevity of the spring. By grinding the ends of the spring flat, manufacturers create a smooth, perpendicular surface at each end. This simple step helps the spring sit evenly and carry loads uniformly, a key to preventing wobble, tilt, or uneven wear. Spring grinding is the process of flattening and smoothing the ends of the coil spring using an abrasive grinder. It is typically applied to compression springs, the open coil springs that compress under load. Because their end coils are originally coiled with slight angles or gaps, during grinding, an abrasive wheel, often a pair of grinding wheels, one for each end, removes a small amount of material from the ends of the coils. The result is a flat, square end that is perpendicular to the spring's axis. This flat surface allows the spring to mate flush with flat surfaces, and even to stand upright securely on its own. Many industries and products rely on ground springs to meet strict performance and safety requirements. Whenever a spring must operate with precision and stability, ground ends are essential. For instance, industrial machinery often uses compression springs that are ground to ensure stable seating and even load distribution. In the aerospace sector, critical flight systems incorporate ground springs to guarantee stability and precision. In medical devices and surgical instruments, where teeny springs might control a device's operation, ground ends provide precise load distribution and alignment for consistent, safe performance. Even precision equipment like scientific instruments, robotics, and pressure valves use ground springs so that each spring's response is predictably uniform. By grinding the spring ends, manufacturers ensure that these springs behave exactly as designed. At Cook Spring Company, grinding is more than just a step in production. It's a craft of precision. We maintain a first-class grinding department with proprietary equipment integrated into our high-tech manufacturing line. By keeping this process in-house under the supervision of our qualified technicians, we ensure rigorous quality control at every stage. After grinding, each spring's ends are inspected. We check for correct dimensions, smooth finish, and parallel alignment. This attention to detail guarantees that when a Cook Spring product reaches you, it's ready to perform reliably in its intended application from day one. Grinding might be the last step of making a spring, but it's by no means the least important. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow Cook Spring Company for more insight into high-precision spring manufacturing. Visit cookspring.com to learn more or request a quote today. And remember, when precision matters, Cook delivers.